Okay, so in today's video we are going with arthropods, the phylum arthropod. We are done till the introduction, like which category or these all a little information. In this video we are going with the one example, which would be the cockroach. The leg, this is the leg of the cockroach you can see on the screen. So we have taken the example of cockroach, and with all the parts, with everything, we'll continue with that. So phylum arthropods, first thing, the word arthropod simply means arthra means joint or joint, and the pods means legs. So phylum arthropod means which have the joint legs. So the picture you can look into the screen is this one, the leg of a cockroach, leg of a cockroach. So the upper, like after the knee, this would be like simply phylum arthropod means having the joints. So you can look into, we have the one joint here, one joint. Here is the second, here's a third, like we have 4 to 5 in this picture. This means we can say that this like belong from the phylum arthropod, and the upper part is coxa. This is in trochanter. This is tumor, which is same in the human tibia and the tarsus, and these tibia are around 5, I guess. Yes. Okay, so phylum arthropod is about that. Okay, so now joint legs. This means the any organism which have numerous joints, which mean many joints, are the part of the phylum arthropods, and this is one of the successful phylum. One of the successful phylum, just because um, in all of the phylum, this is around 85% on the world, just because this could be found in the marine life, this could be aquatic, marine, this could be land, which would be terrestrial, which could also be the the plant, which the insect which also flies. So this is the one of the finest and the successful phylum, because 85% is this phylum on the earth, and is all. So how cockroach, why cockroach have a lot of these legs or the joints in the leg only, not only the leg but a lot of parts. So leg have, just because this shows the high movement. What does this mean? This mean, I am sure that once in your life you have ever started to throw, like you have always wanted to have cockroach. No, not always wanted, but we have cockroach at home sometimes, you might have seen. So we wanted to, if you ever created a sound in front of cockroach, then you mean you should not be here, you should go. At a at the time, might possible you have noticed that that cockroach start running, and they run very fast. High movement simply means they have the joints which make them capable to run very fast, to run as much fast they can survive. Just because if I'm going to hunt that cockroach, then this to survive or to run, that have the high movement, just because that have a lot of joints in the body. We can also call this as a flexibility. Okay, then they run fast, and they also, like, there's no exos wait, they don't have no endoskeleton, no exoskeleton, sorry, no exoskeleton, which means exoskeleton is outward, like the outside skeleton is not present. They have the yes, yes, here this means they have the exoskeleton. Okay, this means they have no endoskeleton, the inner skeleton, but they have the outer skeleton. That's why we can see the bones and the part of the cockroach. Then we have the chitin. So chitin is simply the covering. Outside covering is made up of the chitin, which is very strong. If and that also produce a crunch sound. If you ever beaten a cockroach with the slipper or anything, you might have noticed that produce a good sound, not good sound, but a sound. That is because that is hard chitin layer.